Okay, this video is on the action attribute and the method attribute, and these are all going to go within a opening form tag. So here you can see I have a form and I just have an input to type in a name. And let's talk about get. So get is a method for retrieving data. And so this is going to retrieve the data from the server, and that's pretty much all it really does with it. It just retrieves it. So I think of it as just reading. So it's just going to read the data, and then it carries the request parameter appended in a URL string. So it's going to show up in the URL. You aren't going to want to use get for sensitive information because it's just going to show up there in the URL. So that's get, and the action attribute is what specifies where data is going to be sent and then processed. So like in our activity, we have the data in our form sent to the index in our accounts folder because that's where everything's going to be processed and that's where the variables are going to be stored. So that's what the action does. So here we're just going to a different page when we submit the form. So let's demonstrate this. Just put my name. And then, so this is the action. It takes me to this page and it says, this is the action page that processes the form. And then here you can see it has the variables up here. It shows what the inputs were. So that's what get does. Post is a little different. So post is used to send data to the server, and you can create or update or alter the source with post. And so I imagine that's what we're going to be doing for most of our work with the database, with the PHP Motors database. But it carries requests parameter in a message body, which makes it more secure. And there's no restrictions on the data length, and it's not shown in the history on your computer too. So it's just a little bit more safe with sensitive data. But yeah, that's what post does. So we'll go back here. And give the example with post, which this happens every time. If somebody could let me know why it's not working with post, but it works with get, that would be great. But you can see up here in my URL that it just takes me to the action HTML and it doesn't show any of the inputs in there, any of the variables. So that's what the action does. It takes you to the different file. But yeah, that's action and method for you. Thank you for watching my video.